Hey guys, this is Ansley, and today we are going to talk about an educational website that I really like, and it's very free. I've used it in a lot of my classes, and teachers used to ask us to use this website, which I think is now also an app available for iPhone or Android. But teachers would have us utilize this website if we got finished with our work in the computer room early. And it is freerice.com. Um, we'll get through that. And so I will log in with my credentials that I've already created. And since this is a new account, it says that I have donated 0 grains. So we will click back to game. Um, and yes, this is available for free in the App Store or on Google Play. Um, so one thing that is really cool about Free Rice is that every time that you get um, an answer correct, that it will donate a grain of rice. And you can choose different games, different categories, difficulty levels. There's a leaderboard. You can join different groups. So if we click on categories, let's see. I actually used to use this mostly to help me brush up on my Spanish, but it would also be good to use for other languages. Um, I will tell you right now, I would not be good at any of the math, but human anatomy or science and things like that, I would be okay at. So just to see how it works, cancel means call off, admire, seek, or propose. And so I would choose this one because it most resembles cancel. Um, so this is for like English vocabulary. Um, Military means armed forces. And so there's 1 grain of rice that has been donated so far. Um, and to date, there's been over 202 billion grains of rice that have been donated by people using this website. And I think that it's good for all age groups. And like I said, you can make it um, different levels, and you can choose the different categories or challenges. And this also helps feed people around the world through the United Nations World Food Program. So this is a really, really useful tool. Like I said, especially with learning different languages, but there's also like synonym and antonyms within each language. And it doesn't obviously count against you if you get one wrong. It doesn't take away grains of rice. So I think that it's a really cool app and could be used for a wide variety of ages. And I really enjoy using this website, and I remember it fondly from school too.